Mining affects freshwater through heavy use of water in processing ore and through water pollution from discharge, mine effluent and seepage from tailings and waste rock impoundments. Heavy metal pollution is caused when such as bauxite exposed in an underground mine come in contact with water. It will build up in food sources and contaminant of the food chains, thus potentially showing up in seafood in a high concentration. If sewage is only partially treated before it is disposed of, it can contaminate water and harm huge amount of wildlife. Alternatively, leaking or flooding can cause completely untreated sewage to enter rivers and other water sources, causing them to become polluted. This polluted decrease the supply of usable water, increase the cost of purifying it, contaminate aquatic resources, and affect food suppliers. Pollution combined with the human demand for water affects biodiversity, ecosystem functioning, and natural service of aquatic system upon which society depend on. Industry is a huge source of water pollution. It produces pollutants that are extremely harmful to people and the environment. Industrial waste is defined as waste generated by manufacturing or industrial processes. The effects of water pollution are not only devastating to people but also to animals, fish, and birds. Polluted water is unsuitable for drinking, agriculture, and industry. It diminishes the aesthetic quality of lakes and rivers. More seriously, contaminated water destroys aquatic life and reduces its reproductive ability. Spilling of oil from tankers and offshore rigs in the oceanic area is also another example of sea pollution. Marine crusher of plant bear the brunt of the harmful substance in the dump materials. The waste that are dumped into the ocean tend to have toxic substance, which soak in all the oceanic oxygen. This leads to marked depletion of oxygen available to mammals and other fishing, causing them to die in their natural habitat. Oil spills cause a very localized problem but can be catastrophic to local marine wildlife such as fish, birds, and sea otters. Landfill leakage has an adverse impact on groundwater quality as well as on living beings. It contains high levels of organic, inorganic, heavy metal, and xenobiotics which percolate through the subsoil and contaminate the groundwater. If a land contaminates groundwater, a plume of contamination will occur. Wells in that plume will be contaminated, but other wells, even those close to the landfill, may be unaffected if they are not in the plume. In situ burning is the solution technology for the marine activities. A rarely used mitigation method, in situ burning eliminates oil directly from the water as opposed to collecting and containing it. While this burning method is fast and effective, it does come with costs. Because of these factors, in situ burns are only used in calm waters that do not have dense plant and animal population. For the mitigation and solution technology, in landfill leakage is lining landfill. Proper lining of landfill is crucial to keep our groundwater safe. Lining landfills to prevent leakage is an important step, as is continued monitoring. Proper hazardous waste disposal must be employed if the entire contamination process is going to be successful. For the mining activities, the law regulation is used for the solution technologies. The industry must invest in ensuring that water is not contaminated. The mining industry must encourage the adopting practice and technologies which are environment friendly. The process absorption for the wastewater treatment is reduce the water pollution. The absorption is one of the most effective process of advanced wastewater treatment technologies that industry and academic researchers widely employ for the removal of various pollutants.